Step 1. Preparing the ingredients. This is a Korean product of potato starch. Pour 2 cups of potato starch in the bowl. This is an American brand of potato starch. I got it from Amazon. You can use any type of potato starch. Add 2 cups of water. You don't need to mix the potato starch and water. Just pour the water and leave it for about an hour. Over time, the potato starch will sink to the bottom. I like using lean pork tenderloin. Cut them into a bit thick and long pieces like this. Grate a bit of ginger. If you add ginger to the meat, it's great for removing the meaty smell. Add a half teaspoon of salt to the sliced pork. Add some ground peppers. Mix well. Chop an onion into bite-sized pieces. Slice the bell peppers into bite-sized pieces too. Slice the cucumber diagonally. Slice the carrot diagonally too. Cut the pineapple into bite-sized pieces. Vegetables for sweet and sour pork are ready. Step 2. Making potato starch batter. Remove the potato starch water that has been soaked 1 hour before. As you can see, the starch is very hard after removing the water. Add the starch into the bowl. Add 1 egg to make the batter soft. Add about 3 tablespoons of cooking oil because the oil drains out while frying. The sweet and sour pork will be crispier. Mix them well. The starch that was hard has become soft. Step 3. Frying. Put enough oil in a large pan. When the oil temperature reaches 340 Fahrenheit degrees, add the meat. If you put the pork in from a distance to avoid the splattering oil, the oil may splash even more, which is more dangerous. Instead, put the pork in right above the oil. Cook for about 4 minutes. When the meat floats, turn it over once. When the surface is slightly crispy, take them out. Add the meat at 340 Fahrenheit degrees again and fry for another 2 more minutes. Sweet and sour pork is even more crispy and delicious when fried twice. Take them out, drain them in the strainer. This is really well deep fried. Let me bite. This is already so good. Step 4. Making sauce. Put 2 cups of water in the pan. Add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Add 3 tablespoons of vinegar. As the name stands for this dish, this cuisine should be sweet and sour. So add half a cup of sugar. Mix well. When it boils, add 3 tablespoons of starchy water. Adjust the consistency of the sauce. The concentration should be just thick enough to flow down at a consistency like this. Add the chopped vegetables at the end. The color will be better. Put the deep fried meat on the plate. You can dip or pour the sauce in the plate according to your preference.